and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to turn on your notifications and subscribe to our channel. And we are just a family of 3. We just had our baby boy, if you guys don't know, and follow us for more adventures on our channel. But right now, you guys know that we are on our way to Pahrump because we want to go get fireworks for July 4th. But we're gonna stop getting some Dutch Bros and McDonald's because it's gonna be how long? An hour drive? Like an hour drive, but we're gonna have a long way over there, and the baby's in the back. He's sleeping right now, so I came to the front. If he wakes up later on and he's hungry, I'll go in the back, but right now I want to enjoy myself in the front. Guys, so we just tried this new drink in Dutch Bros, and this is a new one that I saw on Google. I like to search up lemonades because they're super good, and this is one, but it has, I'll write the name down below because I searched it up and I really don't know. And then it has what?
It's super long though.
If you ever want to try Dutch Bros, try this one. This one's super good. And
if they like a sweet taste.
If you like sweet taste, try that one. I also got a lemonade, which is a, show them it. Damn, you look good there, like a model. But he got that's a pomegranate and strawberry lemonade. That one's super good. It's not sweet at all. You want some too, Papa? We're at McDonald's, as you guys can see. Husband just went to go get food from, where is it called? But Macari? What is it called?
It's a Hawaiian place, Maui Rose.
Right there, Maui Rose. I don't know, right there. Maui Rose Hawaiian barbecue. And he got some sushi, so he's gonna see if it tastes good.
Yeah, hopefully it tastes good.
Let me see. Try one. Oh, it has shrimp.
Hold on.
It's good?
Oh my god.
And he's been craving sushi. To Pahrump now. We just finished eating. I'm at McDonald's. He ate his sushi. He loved it, as you guys can see in the video. And my baby's right here, Gordo. Ready to Pahrump? To get fireworks? Ready? So we're already close to the fireworks. Area 51. You guys see the big poster right there? I'm gonna zoom it in. Fireworks. It's gonna be right there. Gotta go. This is a week after July 4th. If I didn't mention it, this Saturday is coming is July 4th. So we're ready to pop. So my husband just got off in Area 51. We're already here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. As you guys can see, we're here already. He went inside by himself because the baby's sleeping and because we were gonna carry him, so we didn't want to wake him up. So he's still sleeping from the ride. So he just went to go see like if there's any specials or anything. Sleeping in the back. My precious baby. Look who woke up, guys. ¿Qué papas? Ya le cambié el diaper. ¿Qué? As you guys can see, a lot of people are just coming and there's like a line now. Well, my husband went to get out the fireworks. He's back, guys. We're about to leave. He got a lot of fireworks and for a good price. That's why we always come here to Area 51 in Pahrump. It's good. And we're ready to leave now. He said we're gonna blow one up tonight. Just test it out that it works good. How are you?
Like,
excited?
I would just be like this looking at all the fireworks.
Smile.
You look stupid.
That's why you had a headache? That's why you have a headache.
Because my cheekbones hurt too much.
Yeah, when you smile a lot, they hurt.
Yeah, they hurt. Babe, I fucking love burning fireworks.
You like it?
Oh, yeah. And you're gonna love those ones.
I want to do one in the night. We're going to do one to see. Hi, Babash.
I've been burning fireworks since I was a kid, babe. Since I was 5 years old. That's why I got this.
The score?
Yeah. Like, yeah, since I was 5.
Take a quiere decir. ¿Qué decir? Kim Babash. Amazing over here. So why not open it and enjoy ourselves? Yeah, my ears are like closed. We're on our way back to Vegas to the baby's laying down right here. I'm grabbing him. So he was sitting the whole time in his seat, so I put him over here right now. We are home and these are all the fireworks that we got. This is crazy fireworks. My husband wanted to get more. This is a lot. A lot.
She didn't let me get more, guys.
No. This is enough. This is a lot of fireworks.
When it comes to this, babe, I'm a kid. I'm 5 again.
He really is, guys. You guys saw the story of when he was telling me how excited he was looking for fireworks to get. We came here to buy Mexican food because we came from Pahrump and we went home and then we just came to get some food because we haven't ate. This is where we are right now. So you guys know my husband gets super excited with stuff. If you guys only knew him. So he's gonna blow one up right now.
This is something light, though. It's just something light.
Yeah.
For the kids. For the kids.
You have the lighter?
Yeah. Okay, you see you got it from here. Toosh, toosh.
I just want to see you. So we're gonna go see the firework pop since it's not loud for the baby. So we're gonna waiting for him to come right now. So I got birria. My husband got tacos de barbacoa. I got horchata and una quesadilla de puro queso. We are done eating our food and now we're just patiently gonna wait for July 4th already, which is this upcoming week on Saturday. And well, yeah, July 4th. It's on Saturday. He's too excited, guys. And yeah, so I'll let you guys go here and I hope you guys enjoyed the day with us and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. You see bye, Papash? Bye, everybody. Bye.
And